Okay guys, hi, welcome to the channel, and we are back in a very nice location today, slightly different from where we shoot our videos, which is basically a parking spot where I live. So today it's a different spot. We are here again with Ghanshyam. The agenda of this video is that we're going to talk about the updates to our Himalayan. Now हमारे Himalayan के ऊपर बहुत solid updates आए हैं. If you saw the last video which I had put up about it, Ghanshyam had ordered the spoke tubeless wheels for the Himalayan. Now, they were delivered after a few days, and then now the wheels are installed on the motorcycle. And let's just head over to Ghanshyam now, look at his bike, how the bike looks with those new tubeless spoke wheels, and talk to him about it. Right? Ghanshyam, welcome to the channel again.
Hello.
And here we are covering your bike again. This is the Himalayan.
Lovely.
Okay, so Ghanshyam, tell us about the experience with the alloy wheels. Sorry, with the spoke wheels and tubeless spoke wheels, which are there in Himalayan. Original Royal Enfield से आए हैं ये वाले wheels. And let's hear about your experience.
Yeah, perfect. So I think overall the experience is good so far. I got my wheels very recently.
Okay.
And the service center actually took it to the place where they do all the tire related work. And that's a place because there is some amount of a wheel balancing which is also required when you change this. Right? And so they basically took out the earlier rim and then put the new one. What you will notice over here is rim also comes along with a disc.
अच्छा.
The brake disc, right? So this is a new one which is mounted with the wheel itself.
So जब आपने unbox किया,
हाँ जी.
जब आपने unbox किया ये rim, तो rim के साथ disc लगा हुआ था.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so it was already there, and that same thing for the front also.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Even for the front also, it is exactly the same thing.
Okay. These rims actually look nice.
Yeah.
They look better than the original those regular spoke ones. अच्छा तो एक बात बताओ, what have you? So how much did you pay for these?
This I paid 12,500.
12,500 में दोनों wheels आ गए हैं और उसके ऊपर disc भी लगा हुआ था. Anything else you got?
No, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, and they came in the box and they were delivered to your place, home?
No, it was delivered at the service center.
At the service center.
Yeah.
So when you're ordering, you have to select the service center also, where
absolutely.
you need them.
Yeah.
Okay, delivered.
Yeah.
Okay, and then how much time did that take to? कितना time लगा इसको install करने में?
Install करने के लिए मेरे ख्याल से almost 45 minutes लगा.
So अभी सबसे बड़ी headache खत्म हो गई है आपकी, that you don't have tubes at all.
Yeah.
Right. So now wherever you go, कुछ वो tension नहीं है पंचर का.
वो पंचर का टेंशन नहीं है, लेकिन one more thing is there. So when they take this out, they have to also do the wheel balancing. Right, and they essentially look at how much is a angle alignment which is there, and then they put additional weights over there.
Got it. Okay.
Right. So for this I think they put almost like 45 grams.
अच्छा. Okay.
Both put together.
Okay.
One is 20, another is 25.
Okay.
So wheel balancing is done.
Okay.
One thing which people have to be careful about is, in case if they have been using the earlier tire, there could be a possibility of some puncture. And because they have joined the puncture on the tube itself, so they have to get that done on this tubeless again.
अच्छा okay.
Right, because now the air will start coming out.
Got it. क्योंकि जब पंचर होता है तो वो ट्यूब को फिक्स करते हैं.
हाँ, correct. So टायर में आपको वापस करना है.
So tire rubber is the same.
Yes.
है ना, tires are the same. No change to the tire. The same tires have been fitted, both of them.
Yeah.
अच्छा, एक और चीज मैंने नोटिस करी जो आप मुझे बता रहे थे, that ये जो spokes हैं ये अंदर से आ रहे हैं to the outer end, यहाँ पे, right? They are not coming to the center of the rim or any central part of the rim. They are all coming to the got it, to the sidemost edge of the rim. ये I don't know, ये जो BMW और ये F850 में ये जो आते हैं उसमें भी ऐसे ही होता है? I'm not sure.
I don't have any idea about that.
I think ऐसे ही होता है. क्योंकि somewhat the rim looks like this. Their rim also, because it's very broad from the edges, like sort of. The shape मुझे वैसे ही लगता है. So ये I think it is the same. I think this is how they make them.
Okay.
Because they don't want to fiddle around with the air part of the air cushion area of the wheel. They don't want the spokes there, right?
Yep.
I think that avoids the possible damage to the this thing from the spoke if it jumps around, right? And if it falls too hard.
Yep.
So this is thing. So 12,500 rupees में ये हो गया है. This is done. अच्छा, and the last time you, so अभी वो tension नहीं है. We can go riding far.
Absolutely. Yeah.
No tension about anything.
No tension at all.
Good. That's a good thing. And अच्छा है, 12,500 में अगर ये मिल रहा है with the discs, it's very good value.
It's very good. Value for money.
Good
Yeah.
value. कहाँ पे वो, इसमें कहीं लिखा है क्या मेड इन इंडिया है, क्या है फंडा इसका?
वो तो पता नहीं, मैंने देखा नहीं. यहाँ पे लिखा है कुछ K05 something.
KOPM कुछ तो, ये तो कोड वर्ड लिखा है 4HE.
यहाँ पे 45M
मिनिमम, ये तो सारा कुछ कोड वर्ड लिखा हुआ है इसका. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that ये सब made in India ही है, because at this price it's not possible to make it in any other country than India, you know, or some other Asian country. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया. अच्छा, and you were also talking about your this thing. You were also talking about the brake problem.
Yeah.
So अब वो brake problem चली गई है?
Brake problem has been sorted now. Yeah, with the new disc coming in, I think the brake is absolutely working fine now.
So the brake is solved.
Yeah.
Did they sand the?
Yeah, they did.
The brake shoe.
Yeah.
Brake pad.
Yep.
Okay, so they did some sanding of the brake pad when they were fitting the wheels.
Yes.
Okay. और आपका ये थोड़ा सा ठीक हुआ क्या, इसका जो ये है?
थोड़ा सा play.
Slightly थोड़ा better.
थोड़ा better हो गया. Yeah.
थोड़ा better लग रहा है. Okay, nice. That's good. So अभी एक तो ये था, वो stalling की problem हो रही थी आपकी. What about that?
Stalling की problem अभी थोड़ा correct हो गया है. It has become better. I have given it for servicing also.
हाँ.
So for 10,000 kilometers they did the service.
Okay.
So now it is sorted out.
Okay. Are you also planning to remove the sadi guard or you're going to keep it?
Yeah, I want to remove it.
Okay.
I'll just get it
ये तो
done.
निकल जाएगा यहाँ से, इसका तो
हाँ, निकल जाएगा.
नट है ना यहाँ पे, ये तो
Yep,
सामने
yep.
से निकल जाएगा.
Not that big a problem. Yeah, I'll
घर पे
remove it.
निकाल सकते हैं अभी मेरे पास
Yes.
है spanner. ठीक है. Okay, nice. So we have come to this nice location. अच्छा, what I'm going to do is also put I've got Ghanshyam has shot some video from his phone when the wheel ka installation was going on and all that. So
Yeah.
I'm going to put those also in this, and then we're planning to go somewhere riding also. So we'll put a vlog on that as well soon. So if you guys have any comments or any questions about this tubeless spoke wheels installation on the Himalayan, then let us know and we'll be happy to answer your question. Ghanshyam is always monitoring the comments, so whatever questions are there, he quickly tries to answer them. So that's what we're going to do. Baki, anything else about the bike?
No, I think all good.
Okay, kitni chal gayi abhi? 7,000 something?
Yep, 7,500.
All right. Cool. Okay, guys. See you later.
Okay,
Ciao.
bye-bye.